Hey guys, this is the Shotgun Boy, and here, I guess this would kind of be like an animal rescue type thing, video, whatever, but, here is a little squirrel stuck next to our air conditioner. So, we're gonna try to get him out before he cooks in the sun, because it's like 80 degrees out today, or higher. It's really hot out today. So, my dad's gonna get him to come out with a hose. He's probably gonna jump, but if he's sitting there like cooking or something.
Oh, he's ready. He's ready.
Okay, so now he's out. So he won't die in the sun, and he got squirted. What?
On the roof.
On the rooth? Oh, I just squirted it in my face.
Oh, alright. I don't know where he went. Go around the side, see if he's on the side of the house.
Okay. But yeah, thank God that we got him out. Got him a little wet too, which is good because he was cooking in the sun and he was stuck there. So let's see if he's over here. I don't see him.
I think he went on the roof. You heard him scampering across there. I don't know. Maybe he's on the roof still. Go out front. I hear noise up here.
I just heard him bark. We found him. I think I heard him go up there. Are you going to be able to fix that, Dad?
Yeah, he's going to tear it all apart. They're up there.
Yeah, squirrels live up there, so we had to tear that apart to get them out, and they're still not coming out. Crap, I don't want them crapping on my head. Attracted a mommy mosquito right there. That was huge. I guess we just rescued a baby squirrel. Extremely nice day today. And two, today I'm free. What? You found him? What?
And the baby birds. See him?
Where?
Right there, see the yellow beak?
I don't see no yet. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Don't put your hand in the nest.
See that little yellow beak? That's a baby bird. Aw. Saw its eye.
Yeah. Let's go.
Yeah guys, just got to see baby birds and us rescuing a baby squirrel so it doesn't cook to death in the sun. Nice day out. Today I'm pre-ordering Black Ops 2, all that crap. Went to the football game last night. Awesome football. So I guess all I could say is this has been the Shotgun Boy, and I guess signing out. Okay guys, bye.